Good news on the bus. The rebuilt transmission got here today. It looks really good. They actually took off all the Raptor liner. They repainted it. It looks really nice. Bad news, after it got delivered, Mark was going through his invoice. He's like, hey, they didn't charge me for the upgraded gears. He wanted different ratio gears so he could get a better top speed on the highway. Calls the guy up and they're like, yeah, we didn't do those gears. We reconditioned it, but it's the same gears. And he's like, crap. So the shop's doing right by them. They're shipping it back themselves, gonna redo the gears and then ship it right back. But that means it's not getting installed this weekend. That means it's going back to California and then coming back later. So, I mean, it looks really nice. I wish we could put it in. So even if the transmission is not here, we can still make progress. So they were kind enough to send back this box of transmission parts, which, do you want all the old bearings from your transmission? I don't.
Not particularly.
Why? Here you go. There you go.
Necklace.
You can, yeah, exactly. No, but one of the things they did send back is the, well, it's not the brake drum, it's, what do you call this? The brake shoe assembly that goes into the drums. So while the transmission is off getting rebuilt again, we're gonna rip these guys apart, replace everything, got new brake shoes over here, adjusting nuts, various bits and pieces, and we'll get these torn apart and put back together. And to do that, so this is a brake drum tool. It looks really weird. It does various things. This guy right here spins off something. This guy up here, I think, is for springs. This guy, I think it's to adjust, like that guy right there. I forget, it's been a long time since I've used this, but it's like, I don't know, $10 at the auto parts store. So if you're gonna do brake drums, tear them down, rebuild them, this is what you want. It looks like that. So yeah, we're gonna remember how that works and figure this out. So if I remember correctly, these guys hold those springs on, and after that, got to take these springs off, and then I think everything just kind of comes apart. So we're gonna start playing with exploding springs and not putting them in our eyes, and we'll see what happens. Go for it. I don't know, it's a good question. On the spring, yeah, there you go. Oh, he's a professional. Ow.
Oh no.
Got it. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna leave one together so we know how it goes together, and then we'll rebuild that one. So there you go, both brake assemblies rebuilt, minus the wheel cylinder. We didn't have that, so we'll just throw that in later. But the special tool, we didn't really use it. We used it like once to pull, like, I think like this spring apart, but other than that, maybe it's a Chevy brake drum tool, because I don't know. Good news, transmission is here again. Hopefully this time it has the right gears in it. Should be?
Should be.
Yeah, they shipped it back on their dime and redid it, so that's ready to go in. We're also currently putting the front wheels on. Those are in too, so Mark got them powder coated to match the top of the bus, so those are looking cool. We're currently trying to fish the speedometer cable through because it slots into that little square on that right there. So we want to get that all buttoned up, and I think we're ready to put this guy in. Slide it back. Okay.
Good bub.
So that took us a month to get it out, and what, 30 minutes to get it back in?
Yeah.
That was nice. You know, it's a good question. Wheel cylinders are in. That's the thing that makes the brakes work. It's called a cylinder. It makes no sense, except, I don't know, maybe it's a circle in there. They have to go in there, except we have these big springs on here now. So Mark's gonna use his muscles and pry them apart, and I'm gonna risk my phalanges and throw it in there. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad.
That's it. That's all I got. Hands away.
Okay. I think it's one side.
That's one side?
That's one side.
All right.
All right. Large chest wasn't in the way. Okay. My problem is the rubber seal's here. It's supposed to be on there.
It is.
Reverse plan.
Wow,
Just kinda,
there you
look at that. Yeah. Put that in there like something. We'll figure that out.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is super safe. Yeah. There we go. Look at that.
Ta-da.
Nice. First hubcap going on.
fresh up.
Thumb muscles. Look at that.
Look at that.
Pretty cool.
Hell yeah.
It's starting to come together.
It is.
If only we hadn't if only we hadn't lost or thrown away the parts for the rear, we could get those on tonight. But that's a story for a different day, and no one needs to drink a pickle beer. What is that? Is that a box of unmistakes?
Yes.
So these are the, what, bearing cover housings and all. Well, here's the thing. We need the gasket anyway,
Yeah.
so it's probably good to order all of this together.
Yeah, but originally all I had to order was this,
Well, you know.
and not these.
Well, you know.
These were almost unobtainiums.
They look nice, though.
Yeah.
I like them. Hey, you. Well, this should allow us to put the rear end back together.
This is definitely.
So here's the thing. That's not for you. That's to
Send
send
this
back to the
with them.
transmission shop. Because they sent us the wrong parts. This is for different year bus, I guess.
Rancho, you're getting a pickle beer.
Hey, does this fit? Yeah, we'll just ship it back like
Ooh.
that. I think it's finally here. Thing is, though, we didn't show you all. So the plates for the rear bearings, they sent us more, and they were the right ones this time, but they were just like so bad. They were so messed up. So they got sent back again. And is this the final answer?
We shall see.
These ones are even painted.
They're painted, they're cleaned, and look.
They
what-
have all this stuff in them too.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
These are nice.
yeah, this is awesome. So we are finally about to get it rolling and get some wheels on it. Thank you, David at Rancho Transmissions. Those guys are the best. This is awesome. We're excited. Now we're gonna get some wheels on today.
Ha! We'll see about that.
Right.
You ready?
Here we go. Drum roll, please.
Okay. Gasket. Fit backing plate. No, it doesn't fit. Now it fits. Another gasket. Where'd it go? O-ring. Put a little bit of oil in there. Oh, that's a lot of bit of oil. The moment you've been waiting for. Oh, it doesn't fit. Cool. I think it's holding good. Oh!
Ah, you heard the click.
Yeah. 2. The piece we've been waiting for.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit.
It just needs like an adjustment. That should do it. Okay, take 2.
Take 2.
Oh, it doesn't. Oh, no, it fits. Nice. It's only been, what, like 3 months in the making?
Yeah.
Okay. And good news is we can finish this installation on one side because we have one nut. It's- That's just the way this build goes, man.
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't thread on now. It threads on. Look at that. Wow, look at that. 2 sides. This one, we're not going to talk about that. Could it be? No way, you found your missing nuts.
Yes.
So we almost forgot last time. It was a good thing we didn't put the last wheel on. I need to adjust the drum brakes out so they ever so barely drag. That way when you hit the brakes, they engage. And the way you do that on this car, got your handy dandy hole, you put your handy dandy tool in the handy dandy thing, and then you, well, not that side. Oh, we're gonna have to use a screwdriver. This doesn't even fit.
We can grind it down.
Oh yeah, good point, good point. But when it fits, you just like click it and it adjusts, but not, yeah. Man,
So close.
so you can't see it, but you can hear that sound right there. That's the brakes dragging just barely, and that's where you want it. So now you put on Mark's big nut in the wheel. Now where'd that nut go?
Right here.
Oh, we threw it away again.
No.
All right, e-brake test. It did something.
That's not good.
Well, that's a different problem.
Oh,
That's like a bumper attachment problem.
Yeah. It's made for impact, not pulling.
Did it move? Well,
Yeah.
Did it move?
try again. Oh no, that's
Oh yeah.
good. All right.
They stay locked.
Yeah.
All right, and now we'll find out because we need. You remember how long it took us to get these nuts off?
How is it still rotating? How is that not doing it? Roll that beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah.
Like an entire night. So now we need to reattach them with 217 of your finest foot-pounds.
Got it.
Maximum effort. There you go. Oh no, that just the cotter pin hole doesn't line up at all, does it?
No.
Oh no, just keep going. It's just keep tightening it. It's fine. Nice.
Done.
He's so strong.
Hey, watch this.
What are you watching?
Just the lift go down. Your bus is now on 4 wheels again for the first time in like how many months?
Too many.
Wow. That is it's a good sight. Yeah, the rear end, it'll settle down whenever the engine goes in, and that'll correct the camber in the back, but we are back on 4 wheels. So wheels are now on. That might need some adjusting, but good news, now that the wheels are on, the wheel cylinders and everything, we can put the brake lines in, which means we can find out. Remember someone cracked that brake master cylinder?
The new one?
Yeah, the new one.
Oh.
Max.
You don't have
Now we can find out if it leaks or if someone needs to buy a new one.
Buying a new one, that's right.
Good news, bad news, good news. Good news, we figured out how it fits. And the Raptor liner has become our friend because we can see by the excavation, this bracket fits perfectly. Bad news, we test fitted upside down and got our trusty friend, the hardline bender, because it didn't quite fit right, so we had to bend it into place. So now we have to unbend it and put it back. That being said, this might work. We used every wrench for that.
And that was to do, the brake lines are all in now, so you've got old hard line up to new flexible line, which goes again to the old hard line. And theoretically none of them leak. We can put some brake fluid in and find out now. All right, brake fluid going in. We're about to find out if the compromised master cylinder leaks or not, or any of the other like 15 bolts that we took off. We'll find out soon. Brakes are blood. Theoretically, we have brakes. Why don't you get in it? We'll spin a wheel and see if it stops, and then we'll see if there's any leaks.
Got it.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Okay, brakes. Oh, it stopped. Okay, hang on. Next. Okay, go. Oh, stopped. All right. Do it again. Oh, stopped. All right, last one. Oh, stopped. Okay. This is the one. This is the one.
It was that, yeah.
That's one
You
cracked.
see where I...
Oh yeah. Well, I don't see it leaking right now.
Right.
Oh, this guy. We got a little leak right there. We gotta tighten that guy. Just like the fitting into the thing. All right. Gear oil going in the both the transmission and these weird gear boxes, gear reduction boxes. Actually, fun fact, commenter told us that's like the first portal axle. So I guess the bus has portal axles. But yeah, we're about to find out if our much anticipated, long awaited bearing cap seals work or not. So it's been a few days since we filled the transmission up, and we've got drips, more than one. So the first one we found was on the gear reduction box here. So if you look on the back, there's that round thing is a freeze plug. It is leaking like all around the freeze plug. And so that thing, it's sealed with RTV. So I don't know if the transmission shop just didn't replace it or RTV failed. I don't know, but that needs to be fixed. Also was back here looking at that and noticed right here, the very bottom of where the axle goes into the transmission, that is also leaking too. So that one, you can get to all those bolts around there except for the very bottom one. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna torque those, see if that'll stop that leak. But this one over here, I don't know. I think we might contact the transmission shop and see if they have any ideas, but that freeze plug might have to be replaced. You think it's leaking on the whole thing? Or
The good news is it's not just leaking in one place, it's leaking around the whole thing, so it's a large, consistent leak.
Yeah, so Mark called the transmission shop. They said, oh, you can just like clean that up and then put some more RTV on it and then it'll be fine. So I think we're gonna drain it, get it clean, let it dry, put some silicone on it, RTV silicone, and see what happens. But yeah, it's it's leaky boy. Oh, and then up here for this guy where you can't see right now because Alan's in the way. Don't worry, it's still leaking. They said just tighten the bolts a little bit. So I've been tightening in, and it's been leaking less. I don't want to tighten it too much to make the leak worse. So right now we're at a slow seep. So maybe a little more tightening, we'll see. All right, we're all cleaned up. And we got ultra black gasket maker, oil resistant. Alan said to find something that's already hardened, and guess what? Good news, this one's already hardened.
So you know it's gonna adhere well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's not a joke. That really is. You want to cut into your RTV.
Yeah. So you know you're applying it properly. So yeah, we're just gonna dab her in and hope for the best. All right, final answer on the transmission is I think we kind of got it. So the repair Alan and I did on that worked. This guy up here, tightening the bolts did not work. Shop manual said tighten them to 14 foot-pounds. I did that. They were loose. I don't think this side got torqued. That didn't stop the leak though. Then I went on the internet. They said like 15 to 18, so I went to 15, didn't work. Went to 18, didn't work. And then here's the thing. I know this isn't the right way to do it, but this is the way that we did it. Our TV all the way around. Like if you remember that joke Alan made when we were taking off the brakes, an external gasket. It's like 20 years of stuff.
Nice.
I wonder if those even worked.
It preserves your wheel cylinder.
Oh,
It can't leak if it's fully
Preservative.
It's an external gasket.
Right.
That's what it is. Yeah.
that is exactly what this is. It's not pretty, but it's also not leaking. I think we're gonna call that a win. I think that's what we're gonna call it for today. Except remember, Wood Waves and Wheels car show at the Fort Worth Boat Club, May 9th, did we say? How long do we have left to finish this thing?
What did he say?
I'll put it on the screen. Free to go, free to put your own car or boat or motorcycle on the show, and we'll see you there. And don't ever let anyone tell you that you don't have two nuts.
That's right. And they're big.
Yeah, 46 millimeter. Do you want to do the voiceover right now? Correct my mistake.
May 19th.
No, it's May 9th.
May 9th.